to breathe in and gently, I say gently because don't go too fast. You're just going to slide down here like this. And the second that you feel the stretching up on that side, then just hold it and breathe. Let's do it again. So hands up like that, and you're going to just reach forward. And do you feel a stretching going behind the bent leg? Okay. And it might just happen all the time. Okay? Now, hands up in the air, and now go, now this some might be tighter, some might be looser. Now just go 45 degrees this way. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Hands in the air, 45 degrees the other direction. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And relax. Okay, cool. Switch. Hands in the air. Breathe in, breathe out. Come down. If you have an obstruction like I do, just kind of work around it. Go the other way. Are you doing that without a chair? That's awesome. Good for you. She's like, I'm looking for the chair, but it's not there. Okay, right, so let's go this way. And then go this way. And one more time in the air. Everybody down and go, we're not worthy. Awesome, perfect. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.